assessment is delivered in cooperation with Dignity and the Committee for Justice. We wish to highlight the worsening situation in Egypt for human rights defenders and lawyers. The environment is increasingly hostile, especially with the new amendment proposed to the Criminal Procedures Law. Although these changes are described as reforms, they could seriously harm justice, human rights, and rule of law in Egypt. The amendments extend pretrial detention, increase judicial authority, and give more power to law enforcement. This will likely lead to more arbitrary arrests and acts of retaliation against these defending human rights. This situation threatens the safety and the freedom of activists while also undermining the legal protections needed for a fair justice system. The Egyptian government continues to target human rights defenders with travel bans, freezing of assets, and unjust trial. The proposed change would further enable repression with new tools for prolonged detentions without trial and false charge. This approach recycles detainees into new cases, creating an ongoing cycle of injustice and impunity. This amendment not only conflicts with Egypt's own constitution, but also violates the African Charter on Human and People Rights and other international agreements Egypt has committed to. These changes are a serious threat to civil freedoms. Furthermore, transnational repression has become a disturbing strategy of the Egyptian government, which now targets activists living abroad. Egyptian authorities are reaching across borders to threaten and harass dissidents who sought safety in other countries. This includes threats, revoking passports, and pressuring foreign governments to extradite or silence these activists. Such action weaken international human rights protections and create hostile environment even for Egyptians outside of Egypt. We call on the Special Rapporteur to urge the Egypt government to end these practices, follow international human rights standards, and release or detain human rights defenders immediately and unconditionally. Among these still detained for their activism are Ibrahim Mutwalli Hijazi, Aizat Ghunim, Huda Abdelmenam, Dr. Ahmed Shawqi Abdelsattar Amasha. Additionally, our colleague Muhammad al-Baqir remains on the terrorist list despite his recent release. We urge the Commission to act swiftly to stop this repression and protect the rights of human rights defenders both inside and outside Egypt. Thank you.